Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show how to make Dal Chawal Palida or Palida Khichdi. It can take a little long to make this dish, but the results are absolutely worth it. So let's get started. I have taken dal, Toor dal, some salt, turmeric powder, and I've added a lot of water to it. And now we'll cook this dal until it becomes soft, and we will drain the water and reserve the stock, and we'll keep the dal separate. Now in a pan we'll add oil and a little bit of ghee. I like to add ghee, but you can skip that and just add a little more oil. This I have added Zeera or cumin seeds, curry leaves, and Methi dana or Fenugreek seeds. We will roast this for a few seconds. I have added some sliced onions, just a little bit, and we will brown them in the oil. Once the tips of the sliced onion turn brown, we will add the ginger paste and garlic paste. Try and use the fresh ginger and garlic paste, and we'll saute just for a few seconds before adding chickpea flour or besan. And we will roast the besan in the oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until it changes color a little bit and becomes doughy like this. Make sure to roast it on a very low flame. So as you can see, it has changed color. So now I will add all the powdered spices like salt and chilli powder, some coriander powder, and mix it well. We'll add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and mix them well. Our intention is not to cook the tomatoes, but just to mix them with the besan and mash them a little bit with a spoon. Again, make sure the heat is very low. We don't want to burn the dough that we have created. Now I'll add the dal stock, the water that we cooked the lentil in. And that was about 3 cups of water that was left over, but we will need more. So I have added, I've topped it up with fresh water. I've added some boiled dal, just a little bit, drumsticks. I have used frozen here, but if you can find fresh, those will be the best. And I have used dry kokum here to make it sour. After stirring it, make sure you turn the heat high and let it come to a boil. And then we will reduce the heat up to low medium and cook it for about 1 hour so that the drumsticks become soft. So now you will see the consistency, it has become a little thick. And Palida is ready here, so we'll turn off the flame. Now we'll take some rice that we have washed and drained, and we will add the rest of the boiled dal that we had kept aside. Mix it well. Add some water. Add some salt. And I have added ghee to this as well, but you can add oil if you want. And we'll cook the rice. And once it's cooked, you will see that the khichdi that we have made is ready. And the way we eat it or serve it is we put the khichdi, the rice, and then we put pallida on top. This is such a warm and comforting dish. I hope you give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.